Hey guys, it's Tamisha with Toolbox Divas, and today we're going to be transforming a bathroom. A very pink one that matches my shirt. Yeah, the tub's pink, the sink's pink, the floors are even pink, and the toilet's pink. And we're going to do this primarily with paint. Because right now we're staying home and we're staying safe, and we're not going to have a whole lot of workers come in and out. So this is absolutely a DIY, no contractor project. And we're gonna do it for on a really small budget. All right guys, let's get dirty. So I started off by clearing everything out of the bathroom. And remove the hardware from around the tub. So this continues to be a little bit of a bugger, so I'm gonna let that stay for now. For now, I'm gonna remove the caulk from around the edge of the tub, remove all of our smiling faces, and any residue left over from an old sticky pad, and remove the caulk from the base of the tub. Now that I have all of the caulk removed and I have the hardware removed and the brass, I have some little holes in the grout that I'm going to repair. And as you can see, the grout is not the same color. I'm using some pre-mixed grout that I had left over from a previous tiling project. And honestly, it doesn't matter because I'm going to paint all over this. Now I'm going to clean the surface with some Krud Kutter and give it a light sanding. To paint the tub, I'm going to be using the Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit in white. A quick tip when using a new paintbrush is to wrap some painter's tape around it and unwrap it before you use it. Proper ventilation is so important when using this paint to paint your tub and tile. I'm wearing a 3M painter's respirator, and I have a fan blowing the air out of the bathroom as well as the exhaust fan on in the bathroom. And I have all the windows open in the house. The first coat is done, and I'm going to allow this to dry before I apply additional coats. Between each coat, I gave it a light sanding and wiped off the dust with a tack cloth. I found that a foam brush handled the corners and the curves really well. And after about 4 coats, it was perfect. Look at that shine. We removed the toilet and removed the vanity. And we also removed the fixture. So now I'm going to paint the walls. Now we're going to paint the floor. Yep, you heard me correctly. We're gonna be painting the floor, guys. So you're gonna be able to paint ceramic tile, porcelain tile, linoleum and vinyl. You can even paint concrete and hardwood in this 2-step process. So I'm excited about this. All right, let's do this. So the paint that I'm using is Rust-Oleum Home 2-step interior floor coating. And I'm using 2 different colors. First, I'm rolling on a step 1 paint color in ultra white, starting from the back so that I don't paint myself into a corner. Okay, so this is 2 coats in of the paint, and if you look closely, I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up. In some areas, I can see where I still need 1 more coat. So I'm gonna go in and do 1 more coat of white before I move forward. So with every coat, it gets sticky, so be mindful of your footprints. This is before you apply the top coat. So yeah, just be mindful of that. Now for the second color, I will be using French Gray to create a border around the perimeter of the bathroom. Honestly, I was kind of nervous about creating a stencil with these super small tiles. So, this is an example of what not to do when stenciling small tile. So I had to redo the border, but this time around I sealed the painter's tape, and I also painted the edge of the tape in the white finish before going back with a foam stencil brush and stamping out the gray color. This only left me with a few areas where I had to touch up any paint bleeding. Then I went back and applied a clear matte finish for the top coat and allowed 7 days for it to cure before I moved forward. Decided to go with a darker finish for the hardware in the bathtub, so thankfully the toolbox dude knows his plumbing. I created a wood frame for the existing mirror in the bathroom. And cut into the baseboard to install the new vanity. Originally, I installed this wallpaper to create an accent wall in the bathroom, but as I looked at this accent wall, I realized that it was a little too taste specific. So I took it down and tried something a little more neutral, but I'm definitely saving this wallpaper for another project. And with that, we were done. No more pink bathroom. Hallelujah. So instead of an accent wall, I opted for a really nice shower curtain that I think complemented this space very well. And I think my daughter likes it too. And the vanity that I picked is a very inexpensive vanity from the Home Depot where I changed out the hardware to these black knobs. The new darker hardware definitely makes a huge difference. Our renovation budget was under $1,000 and I think we came in a lot less than that. A link to everything that I use, including how to paint your bathroom tub and how to paint your bathroom floor using these Rust-Oleum products, will be listed below in the description. So tell me what you think of this bathroom makeover. And hit that subscribe button. And don't be shy. Follow us on social media at Toolbox Divas on Facebook and Instagram. Alright guys, until next time. Sitting there, no. Oh gosh. Hi.